Is possible to sit next to a nice Russian woman? Nice girl.
Next to him, the man before you.
Okay, it's fine, but I want a girl. After me, a girl, okay? Nice, blonde, Russian. Or Thai. Or Thai or Russian. Also Japanese is good.
Maybe no Japanese.
Okay, Russian good, Japanese good, Thai good, and okay, also black is good. Also red is good, green woman is good. Just woman. And now is the new test. And this is my specialty. Police control. Time to make this and I was going to Italy, I was almost going to jail. So this is for you, Mr. Agatino. From Fontana Rossa. The chef of Catania Airport. You can check, but please let me take my airport because take your time, no fresh. This was for fare. Amici delle Iene, sapete che sono il vostro DjAri, il Kamasutra ninja. E questa volta ho fatto un servizio sulle armi bianche, ma questa qua non è bianca, questa qua è cibernetica perché sono cyber Kamasutra ninja. E volevo comprare per regalare alla mia mamma questo cellulare Nokia, ma questo non è un cellulare Nokia, questo qua è un LED e Cazzo guy, I'm on the rest. This is a documentary about weapons in the airplane, and look at me. I'm a strange guy, and I bought for €6 in Bangkok this Nokia handy, but it's not handy. It's something that make light, like a LED, so it's useful for the night, and it's ElectroSchock Taser. So you see, this is fucking dangerous. And this is Bangkok, Moscow. You can see guys.